Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to use Perplexity. Perplexity is an AI. You can use it for free by just clicking the link in the description. You can search any type of knowledge here. First of all, we need to ask a question. So you can type your question in this box. I'll ask my question. I'll ask it first satellite compared to the latest. I'll click on the question and press enter. After that, you can see here is our answer. It has provided an accurate answer. It has also provided us pictures and some related questions. You can see the numbers here after every sentence. Basically, you have these numbers here 1, 2, 3. These are all citations. You can open the sites from here. As you can see, the number 1 is Orbitlios and second is Science Learn, third is Space. You can open these sites by just clicking on the link and these will be opened. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.